Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube video I will be coding a fizzbuzz coding a solution for fizzbuzz question in both Java and Haskell, and I'm going to show you that how a Java developer can move to Haskell programming by watching my videos like this. So let us get started. So I will say okay. Before that I will have to write a class in Java. And I don't need to do anything like that in Haskell. So starting from here I will say fizzbuzz. After this double colons we provide the data type taken by the input and output data types of a function. After that we provide the inputs, function name, inputs, and its implementation. So from here I will say if divisible by 3 and divisible by 5, then return fizzbuzz. Else if divisible by 3 then fizz. We don't need to provide a return keyword for returning a value. Then else if divisible by 5 then return buzz. Else show input number. That is it. Let me compile it. Run Haskell. Okay, so I have declared the variable. So I'm going to define this these variables divisible by 3. We can define these variables anywhere we want, but this is mainly it is done in Haskell, where mod input number 3. code visual by 5, line number 5. Which one? Main. Okay, this it belongs main function because we are trying to run this class, run this file, so it is not there, then it is complaining about that. Next, do the same in Java. Private static void fizz string fizz buzz. So where boolean basically divisible by 3, input number percentile, and divisible by 5, then return divisible by 5, return else return the number. So this is the same implementation of function written in Haskell on the left and Java on the right. Show function is called to convert an int to a string. So this is that function. Let us write the main. Main is equal to, I will say, map fizzbuzz to numbers from range of 1 to 100. Then pass this function, value of this function to map m print. So put string is, this is the function used for printing a string, and I'm wrapping using this map m underscore function to put all the values coming from, basically this is this call, and I'm passing everything that is coming from this map fizzbuzz on the range of 1 to 100 is giving a list of these strings fizzbuzz and input number, and I pass map that to put string length to print the values, and we are going to do the same in this Java code. And I will say int stream dot range closed 1 to 100 for for each input number printer, and I will say fizzbuzz this is the Java implementation. We create a range of value from 1 to 100 like we are doing over in Haskell. This is the syntax for that. This is the int stream range close 1 to 100, and we are in the for each we are mapping this fizzbuzz to all the values and printing it. So basically from here to over here is done in the for each function. That is the Java code. Let us run the Java code. Can't find the int stream. Okay. This is our fizzbuzz. It is printing fizz for numbers divisible by 3 only, buzz for divisible by 5 only, and fizzbuzz for both, and in integer for other cases. Let us run the same in the Haskell and say, so here is the implementation in Haskell. It is doing the same fizz for divisible by 3, buzz for divisible by 5 only, and in both the cases if number divisible by 3 and divisible by 5, then we print the fizzbuzz. So you can see that the similarities between the implementation of how we implement Haskell code and Java code. So in the Haskell, this is the part, this part is same as from here to over here. Sorry, this is the return type string, this is the input type input number. So these are the same, and the variable name is provided in the implementation. This is just like an abstract implementation that it is a function with fizzbuzz, and it is going to take an int and return a string, and this is the implementation. So basically this is the value, the parameter name that we are going to use in our function. So there is differences, but this is, you can see that how you can write a Java code in Haskell. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.